Right in front of me right here, I've got Pakistan Studies Paper 1, History and Culture of Pakistan. And this is a past paper. And today I'm going to be telling you about the paper format because it's extremely important to know the instructions, especially before you attempt the paper, since you've got very limited time. And it's important to know the instructions before you sit into the examination hall so you know exactly what you're doing. Well, the paper is divided into two sections. Section A, Section B. Section A comprises only of one question, and that one question is compulsory. Section B, however, I'm going to write this to the side. Section B has 4 questions in it. And out of the 4 questions, you are required to attempt 2 of them of your choice. Let's take a look at Section A, question number 1. Now, question number 1 says, study source A and source B. I don't have the source here because it says insert instead. But what source A typically is a small paragraph. For example, Aurangzeb, in his time, all that happened, and it gives you a small paragraph. Your source B is typically a picture depicting some kind of thing, either a person or a war or some sort of incident that you are going to be familiar with. Your question A1, A and B are related to your sources. So if you check out A part, according to source A, what are the problems facing India in 1940? So whatever your source A is going to be showing you over here, you're going to, accordingly answer this question. What does source B suggest about the attempts to solve the problems of the subcontinents in 1945? So this picture right over here will be depicting a problem, an attempt to solve problems of the subcontinent of 1945, and you are going to answer this question accordingly. You've got 4 parts, a total of 4 parts in this question. All of them are compulsory. They have 3, 5, 7, and 10 marks. Let us move on to Section B. Now, I told you Section B has 4 questions in which you have to attempt 2. Question 5 is also present here. It didn't fit on the screen, but I will show you that question in just a second. So you'll see that question 2, question 3, question 4, and question 5 each have 3 parts: A, B, and C. And each of these parts have the same number. So all part A's will have 4 marks, all part B's will have 7 marks, and all part C's will have 14 marks. And there's a specific way to attempt that, which is called level marking, but I won't discuss that in this video. That'll be in a future video. Alright, so out of these 4 questions, you need to attempt 2, but the rule is you have to attempt it all. So if I plan to attempt question 2 and 4, I have to attempt all parts. I can't do so that I attempt A and B of question 2, C part of question 3, and then question 4. Because although the marks might have become equal, 14, 4, 7, and then these 3, it is not permissible. This is question 5 of Section B. This is the continuation that I said I'll show you. This, as you can see, also has 3 parts, all 4, 7, and 14. This is basically, you've got 1 hour and 30 minutes to attempt this paper, and you've got in total 3 questions to attempt. So there's a specific, time, and if you think about it mathematically, that means you've got 30 minutes to attempt each question. But, even during your selection of the questions, if you want to attempt 2, 3, 4, or 5, your time is going to be minimized. So you probably have an average of 27 minutes per question. So with level marking and adequate practice, I am sure that each one of you will be able to ace their CIEs and will be able to attempt their paper effectively.